Hello guys, today you are going to learning about pandas. We know about in 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So in this part 5, we are going to learning about indexes, shapes and sizes in the code of the pandas. So let's get started into our video. First things first, we need to open our Visual Studio Code, and then here is our default code in 1, 2, 3, 4 videos. If you create your first new file, so left click mouse and create a file. I call it panda.py. Enter it. Here is default Python file name. Let me in importing the pandas. Right here, import pandas as PD. When it is imported, you can make your data. I have select my data. I have select my all of everything. And then paste it here. When it's done, call it here row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. I call it row A, row 2, row A, row B, row C, row D. Row A, row B, row C, row D. When it's done, you can now see these shapes. So enter it and right here print shapes is equal to comma df.shape and run this code, select this code and run it here. Please. Okay, here is the shapes 4 by 3. All of everything selected by this code shapes. df data frame dot shape 4 by 3 triangle to rectangle. And if you see the sizes, so df dot size, here is the student size is equal to, run this code here. Here is the student size 12. All of everything table selected and find it 12. Here is size and indexes. Student index. Call it here new line. And right here new line, first to last, and run this code. When it's run, you can see the index you selected. Here is this index file, index equals row A, row B, row C, row D. But here is the D type function object. When it's selected means we have to run this code, or here is this dot df comma df dot d types. It's not selected. It means here is our indexes. It's called d type object, means not anything else. I give you this code in my description. This is my video. If you like my video, subscribe to my video and turn on the bell icon button. And let me in comment down. Assalamualaikum. Part 5, 6 is coming.